Welcome to our channel, What the Health. I'm your host, Darwin Moore. And today we're going to cover a great topic here. I'm going to try to give you guys a 100 different essential oil uses, okay? First of all, just want to do a little housekeeping. First and foremost, I want to thank you for tuning in. I just want to thank you for rolling with me. And I want you guys to be a big part of this audience. So don't hesitate to put any comments or suggestions for shows in the comment because it's all about you guys, okay? Secondly, I just want to acknowledge my sole exclusive sponsor, Cranwood Collection. Cranwood Collection, they produce some of the most beautiful fragrances out there on the market, gluten-free, phthalate-free, vegan-friendly, just essential oil-based perfumes and colognes for men. Some of the most elegant, fresh, all-natural perfumes and colognes out there on the market. So what we'll be doing with the audience and Cranwood Collection is that we will give you guys 20% off your order. Just use the code WTH20 and you'll see a link below, of course. I do represent a company. I'm a health and wellness consultant slash advocate. And I work with various companies, but there's for my different health needs. But with essential oils, I've chosen to partner with one of the best, if not the best, essential oil companies out there. So I'm giving you all this information, but I want you to use it. So always feel free to use my link below to get started on that journey with essential oils. And most importantly, I want you guys to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, give me a like, all the good things if you feel that you're getting great content. So on that note, we're just going to get into the 100 uses, the 100 top uses for essential oils. So it's going to cover everything, health, beauty, wellness, what have you. And a lot of people, you may be curious. I know I've always been, excuse me, I've always been curious about how essential oils can improve my health and wellness and just overall well-being. So today you're in the right place. So sit back, relax for a few minutes. And we'll explore number 100 through 90 of the top 100 incredible uses for essential oils. So we'll cover everything from boosting your immune systems to enhancing your skincare routine. So sit back, relax, get this information, okay? So we're going to start all the way with use 100, okay? And number 90, let's start with 100 and go backwards. So, number 100 is you can create a DIY cleaning spray. Something as simple as lemon and tea tree oil for a natural cleaning spray. So just combine those two, lemon and tea tree oil with some water, maybe some vinegar, but I have some of these recipes in another episode also. So that's number 100. You can create your own DIY cleaning spray, non-toxic, all natural, nothing bad in it for you and your family that you're putting into the air. You can, number 99, a natural room freshener. Okay, use it for your office, for your home, what have you. Something like peppermint or lemon oil can refresh your space. So you don't always have to make a spray. You can do something as simple as dousing or soaking a cotton ball with lemon or grapefruit or whatever scent you want to, have to suit your mood, and just let that sit in your space. Okay. Um, Number 98, top essential oil uses. Um, you can create a spa day. Okay, for yourself. I say lavender and what do I like? Lavender and ylang oil combined with a hot towel. Okay, sorry about that. Um, Makes a refreshing and relaxing facial. Okay. Um, Number 97, for insect bites, tea tree oil. Okay. So tea tree oil in itself disinfects and relieves itchiness from bug bites. So tea tree oil for insect bite relief. Number 96, if you want to boost your morning coffee, add a drop of vanilla oil to your coffee for, just a sweet, smooth, luxurious touch to your coffee. So add vanilla oil to your coffee. Now, if you want to calm down after your exercise, the number 95 best essential oil use is lavender oil. It works as a soothing remedy for those post-workout relaxations. As a matter of fact, lavender, I use it all the time for in various ways. But what I've started getting to lately is before I go to bed, my feet, they've just been aching me. I've been an athlete all my life, and shoes these days for men, a lot to be desired as far as comfort. But what I've started doing is every night just massaging my feet with lavender oil, then putting on some socks and just let it soak in. And my feet have been feeling better. Okay, so using things like lavender oil for your workouts. And I've also created a video for athletes, so to learn and understand what types of essential oils to use. Number 94, if you want to boost your mood, bergamot oil can help lift your spirits when you need an emotional boost. Bergamot oil, your citrus oils, grapefruits, oranges, lemons, those are great essential oils to boost your mood. So if you want to cool down in hot weather, number 93, peppermint oil. Once again, peppermint oil is popping up and provides a cooling sensation during those hot days. Number 92 is a homemade room spray, which kind of goes into number 99, natural room freshener. But as far as a room spray, you can combine lemon oil with water or orange, or even the company that I represent, we make a blend called Citrus Bliss. And that will be great too, because it combines all your grapefruits, your oranges, your lemons, and a little bit of lavender in there. It's a beautiful blend to use as an addition, as to making room sprays. Okay, so homemade room spray, lemon oil, Citrus Bliss if you want to use it. It has all of those citrus oils in it. That's number 92. Now, aromatherapy for travel. If you're traveling, as I've stated in other videos, I like to carry around tiny bottles of my essential oils and keep them with me wherever I go, so I have them for whatever I'm going through. But just aromatherapy for travel, what I like to do is if I want to be relaxed, because traveling can be stressful, I'll douse a couple of drops of lavender with some coconut oil in my hands, and I will sniff them up And you won't believe the feeling and the rush or what have you that goes to your body, and the calmness that goes to your body. You can also use that particular combination, lavender oil and coconut oil. Rub it on your temples, rub it in the back of your neck, on your wrists, and very relaxing. So above and beyond, you talk about peppermint. That's a clear your mind, wake up type of potent fragrance. But definitely peppermint and and lavender oil, great for aromatherapy for travel. Now, number 90, if you want to make your own sanitizer, okay, very simple. Tea tree oil. I'm telling you, I'm giving you guys gems here, because if you just get a basic inventory of different olive oils, lavender, peppermint, orange, grapefruit, bergamot, what have you, you could do a lot of things right there. But tea tree oil is very antiseptic and very antifungal, antiviral. So just mix a couple of drops of tea tree oil in alcohol to create your own sanitizer, okay? So you don't need to go out and buy this crap that you don't know what it's made of, and the fillers and synthetic fragrances and whatnot. No, get the real deal stuff that's going to give you the benefits that you're looking for, okay? Tea tree oil is great for a hand sanitizer, and that's number 90. So there you have it today, quickly. Number 100 through 90 is, as far as covering the 100 top uses for essential oils. So hopefully this was some good information for you. We will have a link below for an ebook, for a free ebook, to keep all this handy. So, whatever you're going through or whatever, you can always look to use essential oils. And as always, I hope that this was useful information. Make sure to check out Cranwood Collection. They're giving 20% off with the code of WTH20. Check them out. Check out the company that I am partnered with, the essential oil company that I am partnered with, to check out all of the great, pure, certified pure, therapeutic grade essential oils. So just dig in, check us out. If you have any questions, someone can always help you, but check that out. And as always, like I said earlier in the beginning, I want to thank you guys for rolling with me. Just remember to comment, leave your comments. I want you and need you to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification button, all of the things, and we'll keep pumping out great material. So until then, have a great day. Let's stay healthy, and please learn about essential oils, because it'll definitely change your life. Okay, so be well until next time.